back at it like a crack addict. Welcome to another Sunday League video.
Vamos United,
Today we got Hidalguense
Unidos.
versus us, Alcolicos and Unidos. Alcolicos and Unidos. Gonna be, this was a tough game. I guess I'm speaking in the future. Right now they got first chance. Ooh, nada. Get that shit out of here. Look, they're on our ass right now. Not much to say. Get to the ball. Again. You know, otra.
Está fuera, señor, está fuera.
That's it, senor. You gotta be respectful with the refs, because they got some egos sometimes. So you gotta, you know what I'm saying. Yep, I know it is.
Talk to each other, boy.
Yeah, just trying to encourage some communication between team. You know, that should have been mine. But I don't come out unless I say I'm gonna come out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shit's way out, bro.
Get to the ball. Don't wait for it.
Yeah, I don't take my goal kicks. Just deal with it. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Get what you get. Another foul outside of 18.
Hey, Zay, calm down. Hey, let me get forward, Chucho. Right there.
Some foreshadowing. Butterfingers for real. Recovery. And I think I just cleaned the fuck out of this dude too. But you know, gotta make up for my mistakes. Gotta have some safer hands so they don't gain some confidence and shoot. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so far so good. So far they're on our ass. You know, just cheated a little before the game as my pre-workout, so it takes me a while to get in the zone, out of the zone, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Looks like this has all of them so far. Ooh, what a save. What a save, papa. What a save, pa.
Hey, vamos United!
I was fucking in my room.
Away! We're good!
Ooh.
Away!
Got lucky there.
Ow!
Look, I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Fuera!
Ooh.
Away! Tiene dos, Tony. Away. Llévatela. Beautiful, Jonah.
Beautiful. Can't clear a ball in the danger zone, and then a foul. No bueno.
Five, boys, five. One more in the wall. Hera. In the wall. Vamos, Hera.
Nada. It's okay.
Away.
Good D. You give me that good D. For real. Oh my God, this woman. Put the Jets on.
Todo atrás. Away.
Maybe should have come for that. But, you know, I gotta stay in my goal. Oh shit. Ooh, that was a foul, but we got lucky there. We got lucky, boys.
Defense, no bote, que no bote. Again. Yo, I thought you were still running with me.
Got a free kick, dangerous free kick. I wonder why it zoomed in. It's almost like something important is about to happen.
Hey, subiendo, boy. Déjala. Take your time. Take your fucking time. Beto, you gotta be quicker, bro. Hey,
You gotta be quick like me, bro. Yeah, he's nervous.
Man, I set those two boys too.
He's nervous. That was risky.
Come on, boy. Yeah. Why do you guys have two people?
Some turmoil on the team.
Yeah.
Gotta resolve that, boys.
Just get it.
Another goal kick by my defender. In the first half, strong 1-0 against a tough opponent. Let's get it.
United. There, Humberto. Right there.
Foul,
Step to your right.
dangerous area already. First seconds of the game.
Wait.
But we deal with it beautifully.
Wait.
Bad communication.
Sorry. Hey, come on. I didn't want to take a chance. Ya vamos. Hey, volteando. Sorry, return. No foul. Just stay on him. I got two. Métela. No foul. Buena. Good is it. Hey, let's be quicker, boys. Hey, let's set up. Over.
Encouraging words.
Front.
Put my body on the line for this team. What can I say?
Me está aventando por atrás, vale.
Gotta sell it a little bit, you know. Let them take a little breather. Oh man, the guy has shown me more affection than my father.
Hey, turn!
Again, it's all them this half.
Wait. That's you, friend.
As long as we hold on, we're all good.
Beto, vamos. Wait. Fuera, está fuera.
Another foul, but they played on it. Fácil.
La jugó. Stay on him. Stay with him, Zay. Wait. Nada. Wait. Saliendo.
I don't know what that little jump was. Just getting away from me there.
Okay.
Bad result.
Away.
Crow, man.
Away. 1-1. My bad, boys. Wait.
Should have came out there, but I want to get stuck in no man's land. Again. This close chance, but we resolve like a pro. You know what it is.
Yona. Yeah. Tony, Eric, away. Sin falta, está fuera.
Safe hands. I don't know how to relax. What the fuck? I'm always on.
Good shit. That's how you do it, baby.
Hell yeah, baby.
Saque, señor,
My baby right there.
Pedir cada saque o qué? Corner.
If it's a bad saque, yeah.
This Bangladesh is
Damn
crazy.
near every single one's bad in Sunday League, bruh.
Wait!
It's back.
Wait!
Yes, Adrian.
Adrian.
Truco.
Tony. Buenísima.
Así.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey.
Oh.
La media.
Beautiful defending.
Fuera.
That was close. Oh shit, is right. We're holding off to the 1-0 dub right now. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Vamos.
Dangerous free kick.
He's taking a shot. He's gonna shoot it, Frank. Grab hard.
I only know how to grab hard. It's
Fuera.
the only way I know how to grab.
En front, Beto, en front. Fuera.
Mira, truco.
Ochoas.
Hey.
Banger. Banged it on me. Oh. Save that for later.
Vamos United.
Yeah. I was out of position. It is what it is. Right at the end too. It's crazy. It is what it is.